Back squat to pins. The back squat to pins is a variation of the back squat that allows you to build explosive strength. In this exercise, set the safety pins in a squat rack at a height where you want to build said strength. For example, if you're struggling to push through the mid-range of your back squat, you can set the pins to stop the bar in the mid-range. This forces you to stop and change directions at a weak point in your squat, which can enhance overall power and performance. If you're having trouble at the bottom of your squat, set the pins to be lower. Here's how to perform the back squat to pins. Position the safety pins in the squat rack at the required height. If you're not performing full depth squats, you should be able to use a slightly heavier load than your full range of motion squat, which will help facilitate greater strength gains. Unrack the bar in a high bar position. Take a few steps back and set your feet in your preferred squat stance. Expand your abdominals by inhaling through the nose and pushing your midline out in a 360-degree fashion. Bend the knees and flex at the hips as you lower yourself under control until the bar touches the pins. Aim to maintain tension in your muscles rather than fully resting on the pins. It can be helpful to pause here for a few seconds to prevent bouncing of the bar. Remember, the goal is to build strength in this specific range, not to bounce the bar off the pins. While squatting, keep your torso as upright as possible, feeling the weight balanced between the knuckles of the big toes, pinky toes, and the heels of your feet. From the bottom position, extend your hips and knees explosively to return to the starting position. This variation is particularly beneficial for lifters looking to develop explosive strength and overcome squat plateaus. The back squat to pins can be performed for sets of low reps with heavy loads or for high reps with moderate loads, depending on your training goals. Give it a try and see how it feels. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.